you just dial *155#. Let's do it. That is *155#. Like this, guys. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it like that. And then you press this green button. Hello guys, hi everybody, hope you're all doing good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Health Insurance Kenya with Nyambura Winnie. And guys, thank you so much for subscribing, and also for those who are sharing my videos. Thank you so much to those who are referring people to my YouTube channel. I'm so grateful because today, guys, on my way to church, I met these two ladies, and they told me, "Oh, I've seen you somewhere and you're doing a great job." And guys, they were having difficulties choosing outpatient hospital, that is, and so they wanted me to show them how to do it. And yeah, we did it together, and they got to choose the outpatient facility of their choice. And I decided, why don't we do it together here, guys? Because I know there are a lot of you out there who are having the same problems. And I decided we do it together, step by step, here in my YouTube channel. And guys, to choose outpatient hospital or to change a facility from where you are and you want to go to another one, maybe because you are not getting the services that you wanted, and you want to change a facility, it's not that hard. It's not something hard. You just need to have your phone. That's a mobile phone, guys. And before we do that, guys, don't forget to subscribe. I want to ask you guys to continue subscribing. Give this video a like. Also, continue sharing to as many people as possible, guys, because I need your support. Let's make everyone subscribe. Let's make everyone get this NHIF card, because it's affordable. It's for everyone. Everyone can have it. And yeah, so subscribe, comment down below, say something, tell us your ideas or maybe your experience with NHIF. And guys, without so much of introduction or without so much of talking, let's do it. All guys, you need to have, it's your mobile phone. It doesn't matter whether it's that but the button mobile phone or the smartphone. All you need is your mobile phone, and you got to have your ID. And guys, for me, I prefer smartphone because it's much easier, also is much faster, and high quality credit mob. So guys, if you have a smartphone, you can do it. You can use it. If maybe you are doing it for your parents, or maybe for someone else, a friend or a family friend, and maybe they have that button phone, all you need to have is their phone with you, and also your smartphone, so that when you get to do it, there is that message that it's sent to their phone. You only need it to just take it, and then you put it to your phone and continue with the process. So let's do it, guys. Have your phone. For me, I have my phone here. I have my phone, and just like I've told you in other videos, you just dial *155#. Let's do it. That is *155#. Like this, guys. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it like that. And then you press this green button that says call. Then you call. There you will see that they're asking you to choose whether you're using Safaricom or Airtel. And guys, I forgot to tell you that you're supposed to use Safaricom, because when you do it with Airtel, you find out that it's not going through, because sijui kama ni wao walichagua Safaricom, I don't know that. So you use Safaricom, and then guys, you'll see some details like NHIF self-care, and then you're told to choose the language that you want to use. There is English and also Kiswahili. Guys, it's the language that you understand mostly. For me, I will use English. If you want to kama unataka kuchagua kutumia Kiswahili, you can use that. So I say English, and it's number 1. And then you get NHIF mobile service. Then you are asked to choose a national health scheme. There is free maternity and other services, guys. And remember, we're choosing outpatient facility, so it's not about maternity thing. So we choose national health. That is national health scheme. It's number 1. And then guys, you're told to welcome to NHIF services. Please enter your national ID number. So there it's when you put your ID, the one that you're using, the one that you registered your NHIF with, guys. So for me, I put my ID, that is 316-422-13, and then you said, and then guys, this is what I'm telling you. You'll get to they will send you an OTP number, and guys, they said you something like your number with so many stars, and then there is your last 3 numbers there. So what you do, you just go to your messages, to your message app, and you get the number, the message that they have sent you. It's a code with 4 numbers, guys. That is, for me, they have sent a message with 4 numbers, and it's 1819. So guys, you can write it somewhere. That is 1819. Then guys, after that, you'll find out that the app will disappear, so you have to go back to start again. That is from *155#, and then you call again like this. Then remember guys, we are starting again, but we already have our code. So you put English or Kiswahili, whatever language you understand most. Then national health scheme. Then you put your ID again. That is 316-422-13. You said, and then now this is the time you will enter the code that you've been sent. Remember, you wrote it down. So mine, it's 1819. Then you said, I hope you're following, guys. Then from there, guys, that's where you will see, they will send you a message that says, welcome, maybe your name or the name of the person you're choosing for. For me, they're saying, welcome, Winnie Nyambura. If you want, number 1 is payment. Number 2 is choose outpatient facility. Number 3 is change outpatient facility. Guys, if you want to choose outpatient facility, you put number 2. If you want to change a facility to another facility, you put number 3. So then they will bring a message saying, NHIF facility choice. Number 1, you'll see number 1, they will bring, because this is my ID, so I am the contributor. So you'll find out, maybe if you have a spouse, the spouse will be number 2. If you have children, then they will follow depending with the number of children that you have. So for me, I want to choose a facilitator for myself. So I go to self, that is number 1. Connection problem. Guys, let me tell you something. If you're slow, you'll find out that you'll get such messages, or maybe connection problems, or maybe sometimes you find out that maybe their network is slow. So you find out that they will bring such certain messages like connection problems. So you have to try again. You have to repeat the process. And mine, I know it's because I'm trying to explain, I'm trying to go step by step slowly. So let's repeat again, guys. And this time I'll be a bit faster so that I'll not get such messages like connection problems. So let's repeat. We go *155#. Then we call, use Safaricom. I take number 1 for English. Then number 1 for National Health Scheme. Then please enter your national ID, that is 316 422 13. Then they're telling me to enter my OTP number, that is the code that they sent, remember. So mine is 18. And remember, guys, this code take 24 hours for it to expire. So you can use the same OTP for a whole day if you keep on getting the that message of connection problems. Problem. That is 1819. That is my code. Then I go for choice number 2. That is choose outpatient facility. That is number 2, to choose outpatient facility. And then, guys, number 1, because I want to choose a facility for myself. If I want to do it for my spouse, I'll go for number 2. If you have children, then you will follow. You'll see the numbers that zinafuata hapo chini. So then, guys, it's saying county selection. Number 1, search county. Number 2, browse county. So for those who go browsing, that's where you get so many problems. Guys, just go for number 1 to search a county, then put the county that you are in. For me, sana niko Nairobi, but where I work it's Kiambu, so I put Kiambu County. That is Kiambu County. Then you'll see they'll bring something like select connection problem. Oh Jesus. Guys, it's because we are not fast enough. So that's what you do. Guys, remember, I keep on telling you, if you're not fast enough, you'll keep on getting such messages like network problem. So I don't know if we repeat again. Let's repeat again for the sake of those who want me to finish this, for the sake of those who are having problems. And maybe by this time, let's try to be a bit fast. So that is *155#. Or maybe it's because it's on Saturday. That's why maybe their network is a bit slow. So let me put English. Number 1, National Health Scheme. Then I get to put my ID, that is 316 422 13. Then my OTP, it's 1819. Then number 2 for choosing outpatient hospital. Number 1 to choose an outpatient hospital for myself. then search county, like I told you guys, not to browse but to search. Then I write the name of my county, that is Kiambu County. Kiambu County. And then from there, they are asking me to enter the name of the facility that I want to. For example, guys, if you want to go to Ruiru Hospital, you just write the name of that Ruiru Hospital. If you want to go to Nairobi Hospital, if you want to go to Thika, for me, I want to go to Thika level 5. Level 5 hospital. And then they will ask me to confirm the facility. And then I confirm the facility, guys. And we are done. And then, guys, you'll get such a message saying that Thika level 5 hospital facility successful and it's saved. So, guys, I now have a hospital to go for outpatient services. It's as easy as that. And guys, that's the end of our video today. I hope that you have learned something. And guys, when you get such problems like connection problems, don't get tired, don't give up. Keep on trying. You can maybe say, I will try maybe in the afternoon, I'll try maybe in the evening, but don't give up, because having outpatient hospital facility, it's very important. Remember, because so many of you can tell you that they're having problems when they come to the hospital and they are told you cannot be treated today because you don't have an outpatient facility. This card can only help you if you get an admission. So guys, kindly try to select the hospital that you want, and the hospital that you want to be going for outpatient services. And guys, that's the end of this video. And please just give me a like, give this video a like, comment down below, and let's meet again in our next video. Bye.